Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial, guys. In this video I will explain you how to make this gusset and this sheet metal support in SOLIDWORKS. So open a part file, guys, from here and select your front plane and click on sketch. From here select a center rectangle and make a rectangle at this origin like this. Change the background to plain white and then let's define it. For that, select smart dimensioning tool and specify the length of this line. I'm specifying 120 and the length of other line as 90 mm. So sketch is fully defined. Now from here make sure that you have enabled this sheet metal tab, and in this sheet metal tab select your base flange, and from here you need to specify the thickness of the plate. In my case 3 mm thickness is fine. From here define any color you like. I'm defining this one, this is optional. And now select your edge flange, select this edge and click here, and after that let's define the length of this edge. I'm specifying here 90 mm. Although we can specify the angle, any angle we like, but 90 angle in our case is fine. And now let's see how we can specify the sheet metal gusset. This is the command for sheet metal gusset. We need to select this page, it will appear here, and this page it will appear here. A sheet metal gusset will get created, and from here we can change the position of the gusset, or even we can specify the value 45 mm to properly position. We can position it according to our need, and from here we can specify the size of this sheet metal gusset. When we specify here, all of the sides of the sheet metal gusset will get their size automatically, but if we want to define it manually we can do it from here. When we specify the length of this line, here you can see only one side length is get increased, and from here you can increase the height from here, so you can manually do it. And if you want the flat surface you can change it from here. If you want the circular face you can select it from here. And this is the width, guys. You can increase it, but here you need to specify it very carefully. So when you check this box from here, and here is our sheet metal gusset. So that's how we create the sheet metal gusset in SOLIDWORKS. Even we can flatten it. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.